Imagine walking down the street, and instead of pulling out your phone, information just appears in front of your eyes. Directions floating on the road, messages hovering in the air, games playing in the real world around you. That's exactly what Snap Incorporated is trying to build with its next-generation augmented reality glasses, called Specs. And the company plans to launch them for consumers as early as 2026. But here's the big question. Could these glasses actually become the next major computing platform? Snap Incorporated, the company behind Snapchat, has spent over a decade and more than $3 billion developing AR glasses. The new device, called Specs, is designed to function as a wearable computer built directly into a lightweight pair of glasses. Unlike earlier smart glasses, Snap's goal is something much bigger. A device that blends digital experiences directly into the real world. Instead of looking down at a phone screen, digital content appears right in front of you through transparent lenses. Think of it like augmented reality layered on top of everyday life. Snap says the glasses will include several advanced features. First, they'll use augmented reality overlays, meaning digital objects can appear and interact with the real world around you. Second, the device will integrate artificial intelligence to understand what you're looking at and respond in real time. For example, AI could identify objects around you, translate languages instantly, or give contextual information about places you visit. The glasses will also support multiplayer AR games, shared digital experiences with friends, web browsing and streaming, and even productivity tools. In other words, Snap is trying to turn AR glasses into a full computing platform. Here's what makes Snap's strategy interesting. The company already has millions of users familiar with augmented reality. On Snapchat alone, AR lenses are used billions of times per day. That means Snap already has a huge AR user base, a massive developer ecosystem, and thousands of creators building AR experiences. Developers will also be able to build apps for the glasses using Snap OS, the company's software platform for AR devices. The goal is to create an entire ecosystem of AR apps, similar to what the App Store did for smartphones. But Snap isn't the only company racing to build the future of AR. Tech giants like Meta Platforms and Apple are also investing heavily in augmented reality devices. Snap is trying to move faster. The company plans to release its consumer AR glasses about a year before some competing devices reach the market. If Snap succeeds, it could gain an early first-mover advantage in the AR glasses market. But competing with tech giants with far larger budgets will be a major challenge. For years, companies have been searching for the device that replaces the smartphone. First it was smartwatches, then VR headsets. Now, many believe the real answer might be augmented reality glasses. If Snap Specs succeed, they could change how we interact with technology, shifting computing from a device in our pocket to a digital layer integrated into the real world. And if that happens, the next time you check a notification, you might not need a screen at all.